Hey man, we're getting ready for qualifying at the Ridgecrest Rampage 2026 snore event, and we're gonna have a blast. And thank you, Tom Koch, my dad, for working his ass off last night. Thanks to UTV, Hiles Hursley, and Clint that worked on the car as well. We couldn't have done it without them. We welded up the whole front end. We broke a front pivot the first day, and they fixed it for us, and we got done around 12:30 last night, so we couldn't have done it without them. And always thanks for Checkers. They're always out here supporting us and part of the team. Hey guys, it's Joe David at the SNORE Ridgecrest Rampage race, and I believe we got first overall today and overall for the whole weekend. So I can't thank everyone enough. Tom Koch, my dad, and Barry Hopfee from Bakersfield, and then UTV Retrofit with Hiles Hursley and Clint. They worked their asses off on the car last night. After the first day, we lost a front pivot, and they fabbed the stuff up. Also, Jeremy Smith at PPS Manufacturing killed it and also helped, drew up the parts. So without them, we wouldn't be here today. So super thankful for them, and they killed it. We raced today, just consistent, stayed first overall, and can't thank Mike Wilson for shooting photography for this weekend and videos. He killed it. And I can't thank all my family and friends for being here, my wife, my son, my mom, and then again my dad, Tom Koch. So, and then the people that always help us out, Roy at Pro-Am, his products are flawless. They worked amazing this entire weekend. Adam Wick for building us a badass motor, and Weddle Industries for getting the transmission that got us here. So, can't thank everyone enough, and thanks for your support.